Today, wood is still the main raw material and fuel in industrial production, so it is necessary to have machines to help with efficient logging. So today, let's admire the high-tech machines that exploit forest 1,000 times more efficiently. High-tech machine exploits forest 1,000 times more efficiently. Traditional ways of exploiting forests in the past were all due to human labor, so the exploitation output was not very efficient. Therefore, machines were born to help exploit forests more efficiently. The machine in this video will probably make many people think of a robot in the hit Transformers movie. In fact, this is an extremely professional tree cutting robot, and it is an eco-log tree felling machine. With a 240 kilowatt motor, the machine is powerful enough to cut down tens of meters of tree trunks and cut them into neat chunks. To harvest wood, the robot arm clings to the tree trunk and then uses a sharp saw to cut the stump. Then, the metal wheels rotated the trunk and cut it into even lengths. The tree branches were removed by the machine within 1 note. The remaining result, after about 25 seconds, is neatly chopped wood on one side and branches and leaves on the other. The whole process takes less than 1 minute. This is considered a modern machine that shortens the time it takes to cut trees, helping to harvest wood faster. In a short time, the whole forest will be harvested. Are you surprised? A high-tech machine that helps to effectively exploit the forest seems impossible, but in fact, it has been produced and put into use. This is a John Deere branded logging machine. Surely the John Deere brand is a familiar name in the agriculture and forestry industry in the world because they specialize in producing tractors and agriculture machinery. The mode of operation of this machine is similar to the Ecolog series as you have just watched. The robot arm will cut down trees and cut them into segments. The John Deere 1510E machine is a more advanced line equipped with the rear part of the machine to transport the logs to the factory. With machines like this, people will not have to do anything except sit inside to control the machine to work. With large trunks, this machine is not difficult. Just a few seconds, it has cut down a tree and harvested gently. The image of people having to cut down each tree is no longer in the picture, but instead there are machines that harvest quickly and efficiently. Seeing these machines at work, I thought that the trunks must be very soft. There are many types of wood harvesters, and as you are watching, the Komatsu 911C123 series is also very popular. Its ability to exploit forests is also very high, but this machine mainly exploits medium-sized trees. These machines are also designed to be able to move easily on hillsides. Some types of wood after being harvested will be crushed, and wood crushers will do the task. You can see very big and long pine trees being put into the crusher. Just a second later, it was crushed. Even the old wood can't resist this machine. How do you feel when you see these machines in action? It must have been a surprise. The hard work that was thought to be done by humans has been completely replaced by machines. Hills and forests are harvested 1,000 times faster than manual methods. Not only that, this machine also cleans up rotten branches and trees to clean the forest, preparing for new afforestation. We have just watched the high-tech machines that exploit the forest 1,000 times more efficiently. Please leave your comments about your feelings in the comments section. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel to receive the latest notifications. Goodbye and see you again.